So I'm here at Somalisa camp. There's a separate video for the expeditions camp. So this is the main camp. It's Somalisa, and then there's also a smaller version of this one which is called Somalisa Acacia. They're both in the same complex. One side of it is more designed for families, that's the Somalisa Acacia, and then Somalisa camp is the main one. There's 7 rooms that are here, and they can all be double or twins. But over on the Somalisa Acacia side, they've got family units. They've got 2 family units over there, which are great for families. Large rooms with, separate bedrooms with interleading facilities and everything. So it works very well for families. The camp itself is in Hwange National Park. It's Zimbabwe's largest national park, and if you like elephants, this is the place you need to be. It's got Africa's 2nd largest population of elephants, and I can tell you, if you like watching elephants, it's probably the best place in Africa where you can get really close to them and you can watch lots and lots of different types of interactions between all the families, individuals and so on. It's a great place to be on safari. So I'm just going to take you around the actual camp itself. We're going to start here in the dining area, and then we'll go over to the rooms shortly. But this is the main dining and living area where you'll spend much of your time during the day. So here we go. So in the front here, you've got this, it's all on wooden decks here, as you can see. And down the bottom there, that's where they would do dinners or breakfasts outside. You've even got a pizza oven there for those that enjoy that. And the fire pit where we would gather after safaris or before safari. You've got a little plunge pool here. And then also a big part of Hwange safari experience is many of these camps have got this kind of elephant pool in the front of them. So the elephants come down and drink right here next to the deck here, and you can sit on your sun lounger here, and it's a really cool experience. There's no elephants right here at the moment, but it is a very normal experience is to have the elephants come up and drink right close to here. And then you've got the general wildlife that would come to the main pan in the front here, and up on the side here, it'd be difficult to see in the video, but I can see from where I'm standing, I can see kudu and waterbuck and impala here right now. So there's another little fire pit that's also get used in the evening, and there you've got the main lounge type area, and meals will be served up here in various places, and also over on the side over there's also another little meal area over there and service counter, and there's all the bar with all the nice things that you would want to help enjoy your safari. More lounge space and maps and books and little curiosities about the area and of yesteryear. So there we go. So that's the main living area for Somalisa. Very, very comfortable, and a nice team of staff here to make your day very comfortable. So I'm just going to walk over to where the rooms are and show you what that looks like. So these are the rooms at Somalisa. There's 7 of these rooms, and as I mentioned to you before, if you stay at Somalisa Acacia, that is designed for families, so you've got double units over there that are perfect for family groups. This is the normal room, and they're exactly the same as what you'd see at the Acacia camp, except these are the double twin rooms that you get here. So let me take you through what one of these rooms looks like. You can see from the outside it's all tented, and it's on a wooden platform. So again, this fits in with a semi-permanent type of camp. And then, but you can see there's a bit of brickwork on the side here, and that's for a very necessary part of a stay in Hwange during the winter months, because let me tell you, this place gets very cold. There's Alice from Somalisa. Very good. And now I'll just take you up into the room itself. This little box is on the side. That's where the guys in the morning, if they wanted to bring you some tea or coffee or anything like that, and some little muffins, they'd put it in there, and then you can draw it from the other side. So here's the room, and there's, as I mentioned before, there's the little fireplace, so you can have that glowing in the night, and it just helps to keep this room nice and warm. You've got a nice little couch, nice large exercise beds, with nice linens, and then behind it there is a little fridge to keep any drinks that you want, and you can request anything you like to be put into your room, and some hanging space, and a little writing desk here if you would like to use, or a makeup table, and some PowerPoints on the side there to keep all your devices charged. Little standing fan on the side here, and nice big bath for you to enjoy, and then there's all the nice basins and everything, all very modern. Well, these camps are this, what we'd call Afro chic, I think is the right term in today's world, if I've got that right. And there you've got your flush loo, so and your shower. It's all plumbed in, so there's no problem to have a shower any time of the day, hot or cold water. And if you choose, you might want to have a shower outside under the stars, and it's all screened off very nicely, and you've got a bit of a view out into the bush in front of you as well. So that's what the room looks like. And you've also got this outdoor decking here, and you know, during the heat of the day, nice place to sit, and you can always watch wildlife coming down to the pan in the front, which I showed you earlier. And there's even a hammock over there as well. Nice place to rest up in the heat of the day. So that's one of the rooms at Somalisa.